Now, do you often feel confused about how to manifest correctly? Or are you unsure what steps you should be taking or whether you're doing it right? Well, today I'm going to break down for you the whole process, and I'm going to break it down into do's and don'ts so that you know which things you should avoid and which things you should absolutely be doing more of. So make sure that you stay tuned. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, my name is Natalie Ledwell, and if you're here, you'll probably know that manifestation is bringing you what you desire, and it brings it to you through the power of your thoughts and your beliefs and your actions. So that means things that you think, that you believe, and that what you do actually plays a role in actualizing what it is that you're moving towards. Now, when you really begin to familiarize yourself with manifesting, it can be really exciting because you're going to start to uncover everything that's possible that you can create using the law of attraction. You know, maybe you've watched the movie The Secret, or you've heard miraculous stories of other people who are manifesting their dream jobs or relationships or, large sums of money. And then your Google search is filled with things like how to manifest, or how to manifest fast, or how to manifest something quickly, or how to manifest a specific person, or how to manifest for beginners. And you can imagine the list goes on and on. So while manifesting might seem like it's an exciting concept, there are certain do's and don'ts that can make all the difference when it comes to you reaching the life of your desires. So while you're on your quest to manifest the life of your dreams, rather than, for example, doing an internet search for something like law of attraction for beginners, I'd like to break it down into specific do's and don'ts of manifesting so that you know exactly how to co-create with the universe. So here are some do's. Do number one is do trust that the universe has a better plan than yours. Now remember, whatever you thought up that you want to create right now is what you're thinking up at the best of your ability based on the experience that you've had in life so far. So sometimes we get caught up in trying to manifest a specific outcome or a specific timeline. Now, sure, it's important to have clarity and intention, but we've got to trust that the universe has a bigger plan, one that may even surpass what you were originally aiming for, so you've got to stay open for that. Okay, do number two is do co-create with the universe. And you do that by letting go of control. I mean, we all think we've got control. We don't have any control. And you want to be taking inspired action. Now, manifesting isn't just about sitting back and visualizing what you want and just waiting for it to magically fall into your lap. It's also about taking action. And while you're taking action, that leads to inspired action. And you want to be doing this simultaneously while letting go of attachment to any of the outcomes. So this means that you have to trust the universe and trust that it will bring you everything in its own perfect timing. Okay, do number three is that you do want to make manifesting part of your daily life. You want to make sure that it's integrated into your lifestyle. Manifestation isn't just a one and done thing. It's an ongoing practice. So it's something that should be woven into your daily life and made into a lifestyle. So this means staying in tune with your thoughts, being aware of the positive ones and the negative ones, being aware of your beliefs, your emotions, and taking regular action to make sure that you are in alignment with what you truly desire. Okay, so let's go through some of the don'ts. Number one don't is don't expect exactly what you want just to drop into your lap. Now, this may be one of the biggest misconceptions around the law of attraction. Some people expect that just by thinking it and repeating affirmations and looking at an affirmation board or looking at a mind movie that things will just magically appear. The thing is, for our manifestations to happen, we need to co-create with the universe. And we have to release the idea that we will always get exactly what we want, when in reality, what we get ultimately is for our highest good and often far surpasses anything that we could ever have dreamed up for ourselves. Okay, don't number two is don't try to make things happen or don't try to force things happen. Trying to control the outcome And trying to control the timing of our manifestations is another way that we sabotage ourselves. You know, we've got to trust the universe and its divine timing, because that is the best way to ensure that our manifestations will actually appear for us. Okay, don't number 3 is don't practice manifesting only in certain times or certain places. Saving your manifestations for a certain time of the day or for a certain place. Like if you're sitting down in meditation or you have to be in a certain place watching your mind movie, that's not going to work. And that's not how you embody the law of attraction. Instead, you really want to practice manifesting as a way of living, as an embodiment. So every day when you wake up, you want to savor that cup of tea. You want to appreciate the sunshine. You know, you want to enjoy every morsel of your breakfast. You want to appreciate the birds and the nature and everything that's around you. Make sure that you always feel grateful and be really present in the moment. Because you see, when you have a really clear outline on what you should be doing to manifest your dream life, and also what you shouldn't be doing, you give yourself a chance to develop the right kind of healthy habits that's going to attract the beautiful and amazing life that you desire. And even if you catch yourself falling into some of the don'ts that I just mentioned, look, remember, this is a learning process, and you'll get better at manifesting over time, especially if you make it a practice, if you pepper these things throughout your day. So do trust in yourself and in the universe. Stay focused on your intentions. Let go of any control or perceived control and expectations and make manifesting a lifestyle. Oh, and don't forget to enjoy the journey. I mean, because we're always going to be on the way to something, right? And just enjoy watching your dream life unfold before you. Because remember, your dreams will start to come true when you start to believe that they will. So I have a very special package that I'd like to share with you today. Not only to help you co-create with the universe, but to turn you into a powerful manifesting machine. Now, it's your very own manifesting toolkit for unlimited abundance that includes simple, easy-to-use tools for practical manifestation. So I'm going to add a link in the comment section below so that you can download this for free. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.